In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help with Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to reach a real support agent through live chat and how to send a support email when chat isn't available, all from inside your Squarespace account and the Help Center. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the site you need help with. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Help icon, typically a small question mark, visible on the screen. Clicking this opens Squarespace's in-app help panel. You'll usually see suggested articles in a search bar first, which can be handy for quick fixes. If you already tried that or you know you want to talk to a person, continue through to contact options. If the panel doesn't appear, try refreshing the page, ensuring that pop-up or ad blockers aren't interfering, and make sure you're logged in with the correct account that owns or has access to the site you're working on. From the Help panel, select the option that takes you to the Help Center and look for Contact Us. This is the path to live support. On the contact page, you may be prompted to pick a topic or describe your issue to help route you to the right team. Keep your description clear and concise. A 1 or 2 sentence summary of what you're trying to do and what's going wrong is perfect. If you're troubleshooting something visual, note the page or section where the issue appears. When you're ready, click Contact Us again to open the chat window. A chat box will pop up and connect you with a support agent in real time. You'll typically see an estimated wait time and a place to paste examples or attach screenshots. While you wait, gather any helpful details, the site area you're working in, recent changes you made, and steps to reproduce the problem. Share only what's necessary. Never include sensitive personal data. Keep the chat open in the same tab until the conversation is complete, and consider saving the transcript for your records. Live chat availability depends on Squarespace's operating hours, so if chat is closed, don't worry. You can choose to send an email instead. In your message, include a brief summary, the exact steps you took, what you expected to happen, what actually happened, and any relevant screenshots or links. Clear, specific details help support pinpoint the issue faster. After sending, you'll receive a confirmation and a response in your inbox once an agent reviews your case. That's it. Log in, open help, go to Contact Us, start a chat when available, or send an email when it's not.